All right. In healthcare, the biggest tragedies often come from what we, oh, I should probably have something to advance my slides. There we go. There we go. Boom. In healthcare, the biggest tragedies often come from what we don't catch early enough, whether that's a child with amblyopia who loses vision permanently or an athlete with a concussion that goes undetected. Rebion exists to change that. I'm Mark Mayer. I'm the CEO of Rebion. We're a Boston-based neurovisual diagnostic company on a mission to change how vision and brain disorders are detected. 1 in 20 children has amblyopia or strabismus, the leading cause of preventable blindness in children. But today, eye exams are subjective, leaving children undetected, and false positives loading up waiting rooms, false negatives leaving children untreated. And when you look at brain injury, in the US, 2.8 million people alone go to the ER every year for traumatic brain injury. And physicians estimate that another 2.8 million, literally half, never go to the ER at the time of the injury. This leaves people completely undetected. CT scans will often miss the injury. Balance and memory tests are inconsistent. Patients fall through the cracks. Recovery is delayed and costs soar. And in both cases, the problem is the same. There's no objective, reliable, or fast diagnostic. Rebion has developed the only FDA-cleared device for amblyopia and strabismus detection, Blink. Using polarized light scanning the retina, we pick up micro misalignments that are invisible to the human eye, and we deliver those results in less than 3 seconds. And building on that platform, our second device, Track, uses the same polarized light scanning to detect traumatic brain injury. The retina is the only place on the body where you can actually see nerve fibers and blood vessels actually connected to the brain. And Track turns the eye into the window on brain health. It is fast, non-invasive, and objective, and the platform goes beyond concussion. We actually have started trials in Alzheimer's, PTSD, and other neurodegeneration. All right. The markets are enormous. $600 million in the US just in pediatric screening alone, and in neurological and in TBI, it's even larger with billions of dollars spent on emergency room visits, scanning, imaging, and follow-up care. We have a strong moat. 7 US patents, 23 international patents, and a number of other assets, including algorithms and trade secrets. Right. We are already generating revenue with Blink through key pediatric vision screening accounts, ophthalmology offices, and optometric offices. The product is FDA cleared, and it's manufactured by Canon in Virginia. And we are expanding into other areas and with other partners, and you know who you are. With Track, our clinical trials have already delivered compelling data, and pre-submission should be later this year, and we plan to have submission to FDA in 2027. There we go. Thank you. And so, how do we win? First, wait a second. How do we win? Here we go. First, expand Blink adoption through pediatric and optometric practices. Second, advance Track through the FDA pathway with compelling data already in hand. And third, execute with discipline. We've got a wonderful group of KOLs. Dr. David Hunter at Boston Children's Hospital is our founder. We're working with Lee Goldstein at Boston University and Damon Keel down at Virginia Tech. The data's just been absolutely terrific. We're raising $6.5 million to help accelerate Track through the FDA, bring Blink out into the market, and add, obviously, additional patents and people. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.